This is crazy weather. We have winds going 30 to 50 miles an hour, and they are busting up whatever snowfall we're supposed to be getting. It is crazy cold. I mean, we literally just had 80-degree weather. And if you can even hear me over this wind, I'm kind of in a shelter, but this is the craziest thing. Look, there's green grass and snow. And that snow is hardly hitting the ground because it's busy being blown around by these winds. Crazy snow. So this is the next morning, and look at the snow. Everything's just blown flat out straight, like an open field. This is some crazy weather we've got. Look at those angry skies. There's mountains in there, but you can practically not tell the difference between the change of color of the mountains and the sky. And that wind, my goodness. Now it's the next day, the snow is completely gone. The wind is still around. Chickens are happy. Chickens are really happy. It was cold. Guys, this is the craziest weather, craziest spring. But this is how it goes. One minute it's snowing, blizzard, the next minute it's sunny and warm. It's just the way it is sometimes. Let's take a look at what it did to some of our blossoms. These blossoms seem like they held out pretty good. And luckily there's some real closed up tight ones that will come out when the bees come out and still be able to be pollinated. So it looks like the peaches will be okay. The other blossoms we've had are the apricots. Some of those did not fare so well. Yeah, some of them really are struggling. Hopefully we'll have some apricots. Some of those blossoms are just opening now that the sun's come out, and there's a few like rows that are still closed. So I think we'll be okay with apricots, but I don't think we'll have the abundance that this little tree was originally planning to offer. Well, hey, thanks for watching our videos. We're really grateful to have you as part of our little YouTube family. Thanks so much for sharing them with your friends. Have a fantastic day.